You're running ads on Google, Meta, and TikTok. Leads are entering Salesforce CRM, deals are closing, but your ad platforms are optimizing on form fields, not on closed revenue. In this video, I'll show you the complete tracking infrastructure for Salesforce CRM. Hi, I'm Zubayer, Marketing Attribution, Conversion Tracking, and Server-Side Tracking Specialist. I help businesses and marketing agencies build reliable measurement systems. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete Salesforce tracking setup from the moment someone clicks an ad through lead capture to a closed deal, with every conversion signal flowing back to every ad platform accurately. Here is the problem most Salesforce users face with tracking. Leads come in from multiple sources: Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok ads, through web-to-lead forms or third-party forms. They enter Salesforce. Your sales team works them through the pipeline, deals close, but your ad platforms only see the initial lead submission. They have no visibility into what happens inside Salesforce after that, which leads qualified, which became opportunities, which closed as customers. So every platform optimizes on the cheapest leads, not the most valuable ones. Google's smart bidding targets people who fill forms. Meta finds people who click. TikTok optimizes for volume. None of them know who actually paid you money. The result? Your cost per lead looks manageable. Your cost per closed deal is invisible. And your budget keeps flowing to campaigns based on surface level signals. This setup fixes all of that. Here is the full tracking architecture we are building. 3 layers working together. Layer 1, client-side tracking. GTM web container fires on your website. It captures the click IDs from Google Ads, Meta, and TikTok and stores them in first-party cookies. It also fires the GA4 tag, Meta Pixel, and TikTok Pixel for real-time browser signals. Layer 2, server-side tracking via Stape. GTM server container hosted on Stape receives events from the browser and sends them to each ad platform server to server, bypassing ad blockers. Every platform receives enriched, reliable conversion signals from your server. Layer 3, offline conversion tracking via Salesforce. When a lead moves through a Salesforce pipeline to closed one, Salesforce's built-in Google Ads integration pushes the data back. For Meta and TikTok, the stored click IDs are pushed back via the server container using webhook triggers. One complete attribution system. Step 1. Set up the client-side foundation in GTM. First, click ID capture. Create 3 URL parameter variables in GTM. One for get lead, one for FB lead, and one for TT lead. These read the click IDs from the landing page URL the moment someone arrives. Next, store them in first-party cookies. Create 3 custom HTML tags that write each value to a cookie with a 90-day expiry. Now, create corresponding first-party cookie variables to read them back on any page, any session. Next, hidden fields in your forms. Whether you use Salesforce's web-to-lead or a third-party form, add hidden fields for GLEAD, FB GLEAD, and TT GLEAD and auto-populate them with GTM. When the form submits, all 3 click IDs travel into Salesforce with the lead record. Finally, fire your platform tags. Build a form submission trigger. On that trigger, fire GA4 generate lead, Meta lead event, and TikTok lead event with hashed user data. And fire the Google Ads conversion tag with enhanced conversions. This is your browser side layer, fast, real time, and tied to the user session. Step 2. Set up the server-side container in Stape. In Stape, create your GTM server container. Stape hosts it for you. Copy the server container URL and add it to your GTM web container settings. Now update your GA4 tag to route through the server. The GA4 client in the server container receives the event and distributes it to all connected platforms simultaneously. Create 4 outbound tags. Tag 1 GA4 via measurement protocol. This gives you more reliable session data and longer cookie lifetimes. Tag 2 Google Ads conversion. Send enhanced conversion data server side including hashed email to improve your match rate significantly. Tag 3 Meta Conversions API. Configure with your Pixel ID and CAPI access token. Pass hash data and event IDs for deduplication. Tag 4 TikTok Events API. Pass hashed identifiers, IP address and user agent. Include the event ID for deduplication with the browser pixel. Set all tags to trigger on generate lead. Now every submission fires 4 server-side signals. Clean, reliable, and bypass proof. Step 3. Connect Salesforce pipeline stages to offline conversions. For Google Ads, use Salesforce's built-in integration. In Google Ads, select Import, then Salesforce. Connect your account. Google Ads will sync directly with your Salesforce org. Create 2 conversion actions. First, Salesforce opportunity created fires when a lead converts to an opportunity. Second, Salesforce closed won fires at the final stage include deal value so smart bidding can optimize for revenue, not just counts. For Meta and TikTok, use a webhook from Salesforce to your GTM server container. Setup is Salesforce flow. The flow sends a webhook payload to Stape containing the stored FDCL ID, TTCL ID, deal value, and customer email. In the GTM server container, build two tags: Meta CAPI and TikTok Events API offline conversion tags firing purchase events with deal values. Now, all three platforms receive offline signals when real business outcomes happen, not when forms are filled. When deals close. Before going live, test every layer. Client side, open GTM preview. Load your page with test URL parameters. Verify cookie tags fire. Submit a test form. Confirm hidden fields are populated and all browser pixels fire on submission. Server side, check Stape's request log. You should see 4 outbound requests. Confirm event names and parameters match. For Meta, go to test events. Verify the server side lead event arrives with matching deduplication ID. Target a match quality of 6.5. For TikTok, confirm the server side lead event arrives with matching event ID. For Google Ads offline conversions, create a test lead. Move it to closed one. Check Google Ads conversion actions after 3 to 4 hours. Both actions should appear. For Meta and TikTok offline, trigger the Salesforce webhook manually. Check Stape's log for outbound calls with FPCL ID and TTCL ID. Once this infrastructure is live, here is what changes across every platform. Google Ads Smart Bidding receives opportunity and closed won signals. It stops optimizing for cheap leads and starts finding people who actually close into customers. Meta Ads match quality improves. Meta's algorithm finds more people who match your real customer profile. TikTok data tells the algorithm which segments generate revenue. GA4 server-side events give you more reliable session data, longer attribution windows, and accurate multi-touch reporting. You now have one complete attribution system from first click to close deal. Every platform is learning from real business outcomes. I offer a free 30-minute consultation where I'll review your setup, identify breaks, and show you how to connect Salesforce correctly. Reach out via the contact details on screen or book a call directly via the link in the description. If this video helped you, subscribe for more weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix your infrastructure first. In 2026, the businesses winning are not the ones spending more. They're the ones whose ad platforms know exactly which clicks generate revenue.